Hello you all, myself Vaidehi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to talk about how I got this very beginners friendly smoky winged eyeliner makeup look. So if you are interested then please keep watching. I am going to start this makeup look with skincare first, and for that I am going to use Patanjali's aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel of your choice, that's not the issue. I'm starting the skincare with aloe vera gel because my skin has become so oily these days that it can't even stand with moisturizer on, so I prefer using aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes because we don't want our skincare and makeup mix with each other. ऐसा होता तो हम एलोवेरा vera gel के अंदर ही फाउंडेशन मिला देते, but we don't want that. We have to prep our skin nicely before applying makeup. Now moving on, I'm going to apply primer on my face. For primer, I'm gonna use my personal favorite Inside Cosmetics face primer. This is my favorite primer of all time. I think it's a silicone based primer. Whenever you apply primer, you have to focus them on areas where your pores are more visible and where your skin secretes more oil. Like I'm going to apply it first near my chin area, on my nose, on my forehead, basically on my T-zone area, and whatever is left I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now for foundation, I'm going to use Lakme's 9to5 Forever Matte Foundation. This foundation is little bit runny in consistency and not like Maybelline's foundation, which is little bit thick in consistency, and because it's runny it is really hard to remove the spatula and apply the foundation on our skin क्योंकि नीचे गिरने के chances is way too much than you can imagine. So I'm going to apply it very nicely on my forehead, on my cheek area, and I'm going to blend it with a flat kabuki brush. For concealer today I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer and it's in the shade Caramel. By the way, I will provide all the product links with the shade names in the description box, so do not worry about that. Now I'm going to blend the concealer using a small fluffy brush. I don't have a concealer brush with me because I don't need concealer brush because fluffy brush से भी काम हो जाता है. So without setting my concealer, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's eyeshadow palette and it's in the shade I think Rose in the Air, and I'm thinking of what eye look I should go for. At this point I was really not sure कि मुझे करना क्या है, and honestly speaking I'm really not happy about this makeup look. I'm not happy how it has turned out to be, but so that मुझे याद रहना चाहिए कि मैंने कहाँ से शुरुआत की थी और मैं कहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ. I am posting this video. So I took that transition color and applied it above my crease area, and now using a pencil brush I'm going to apply brown color on my eyelid area. I actually tried to create smoky brown eyeshadow look, but ये हुआ ही नहीं. I think I don't know why, but ये हुआ नहीं ठीक से. Now using a small flat brush, I'm trying to create a wing with that grayish brown sort of color, and I'm creating a wing. I think my wing is not perfect in here. I actually tried to create like something out of the box, but वो वैसा हुआ नहीं. I don't know why am I posting this video, but just bear with me now. So I'm going to conceal my under eye area now because हमारा eyeshadow का part almost हो चुका है, and now हमें fallout की भी कोई चिंता नहीं है. So now I'm going to blend my concealer using another fluffy brush. I really don't know about makeup, but I think my face looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take that brown color on a flat smudger brush, and I'm going to focus most of the product on the outer corner of my eyelids because that's where we have created our wing, and I'll smoke out that eyeshadow using same brush towards the inner corner. Now to deepen out what we have created, I'm going to take the same shade which we took for our for our winged eyeliner, and then I'm placing that same color on my lower lash line towards the outer corner. Now to contour my face, I'm going to use my personal favorite oldie goodie contour stick by the brand NYB. Basically the website says that it's a foundation stick, also a concealer stick, also a contouring stick, basically a 3-in-1 product. But I personally like to use this shade as a contour because this gives me that perfect chiseled contour that I always wish for. And I'm blending it really nicely with a slanted फ्लैट kabuki ब्रश. आई डोंट नो इस ब्रश को क्या कहा जाता है. बेसिकली इट्स अ स्लैंटेड शेप्ड ब्रश. और मैंने बिल्कुल भी हार्शली कॉन्टोर नहीं किया है बिकॉज आई वॉज गोइंग फॉर वेरी बिगिनर्स फ्रेंडली मेकअप लुक, सो आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनी हार्श कॉन्टोर एट ऑल. Now to set my under eye area, also that area जो contour के नीचे आता है, to make my contour look more chiseled, I'm going to take that small sponge. I got this from Shein and Shein is banned in India now, so I can't do anything for that. I'm taking Lakme's loose powder and I'm taking it on my sponge. I love this sponge because ये छोटा है and fit हो जाता है मेरे under eye area के नीचे. So you can see how I am applying it under my eyes because creasing नहीं होनी चाहिए and I personally don't like to bake under my eyes, so मैं सिर्फ set करूँगी and I'm not gonna bake. Moving on for eyebrows, I'm going to use Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. ये काफ़ी सस्ती है but quality is so damn good और मतलब आपको कोई झंझट नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. काफ़ी ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है एंड आई लव यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट यू आर कोमिंग थ्रू योर आईब्रो हेयर्स टूवर्ड्स अपर डायरेक्शन. इससे क्या होगा, अगर कोई भी हार्श एजेस होगी तो वो ब्लेंड हो जाएगी. नाउ फॉर मस्कारा, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ ब्लू हेवन्स मस्कारा and I'm basically just applying mascara on my eyelashes, on my upper eyelashes, on my lower eyelashes. At this time I haven't used eyelash curler. I don't know why I'm missing my eyelash curler now. Okay, my very basic step, that is applying bindi, and I know I look good when I apply bindi, like nothing new in that, I know that. Okay, for lipstick I'm going to use Maybelline's lipstick and it's in the shade okay, it's in the shade Made Easy. It's chatak, like not chatak but orange shade with a hint of red in it, and I love this shade. I'm fan of this color. Now for blush, I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics blush and I think it's in the shade champagne I guess, and I'm going to apply blush थोड़ा हल्का near my contour, थोड़ा contour के ऊपर. Make sure you're not applying your blush on apples of your cheeks because that looks fake. Now I think I'm going to use highlighter by the brand Wet n Wild, and to apply that highlighter I'm going to use another fluffy brush. I don't know why, for some reason I like using eyeshadow fluffy brushes for so many other usage, like to conceal my under eye area, to apply highlighter, to apply eyeshadow, and I don't know और किस चीज़ के लिए मैंने यूज़ किया होगा. So I love the finish of this highlighter. इसकी ना एक ऊपर की लेयर हट जाने के बाद this has become the most blending highlighter ever. So that's the reason I love using Wet n Wild's highlighter. I did apply it on my cheekbone area, on my eyebrow arc area, above my lips. I think it is known as Cupid's bow, on my nose, and this is how my makeup has turned out. So I added a pair of oxidized earring and मैंने अपने बालों को ओपन ही रखा है. सिर्फ लेफ्ट साइड से मैंने कुछ क्लिपिंग्स लगा ली है. and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. So take care you all and I'll see you next time. Bye. और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.